We spent the 4th of July weekend with family and friends. We started it off by making this red, white, and blue poke cake to share with our friends. I have another video showing our process. We took a trip deep into the woods to visit our friends Jimmy and Sandy. They have a lovely cabin and a lot of very interesting things there, decorations and animals, and there's always good food and music when you go to their house. Here we are sharing a communal meal with our friends. It was potluck, and then there was music. The next day, we went to downtown Mountain View, where we saw a very patriotic Independence Day parade. The kids had a great time. They got lots of candy and trinkets. They really enjoyed themselves, and so did we. The local quilt club awarded a handmade quilt to a local veteran. After the parade, we did some shopping downtown, and we walked around, looked at all the lovely sights. There are a lot of beautiful bed and breakfast in this little town, and they were all decorated for the 4th of July. There was also music and dancing downtown that evening, which started off with the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank God. Now,
And, of course, the night ended with a fireworks display. I hope you all enjoyed your 4th of July weekend as much as we did. See you in the next video.